इनकॉन्टिनेंस पेशेंट के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी है सही और रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट का इस्तेमाल। क्या आपके घर में भी कोई है who's facing the same problem? उनको रेकमेंड करें अबीना सैन प्रीमियम पैस, जो कि ना सिर्फ एक यूरोपियन प्रोडक्ट है but it is also dermatologically tested and certified by the Nordic Swan Eco Label 2. Abena Sand Premium pads are not just for people facing incontinence, but also for pregnant women, bed rest patients, and others. Abena Sand 7 is for anyone dealing with very heavy incontinence issues and for very obese patients who do not want to wear diaper and pull up. These pads have a super absorbent core that locks away moisture and prevents leaks. They are made from soft, 100% breathable materials with odor control technology to keep you feeling fresh, relaxed, and confident. Plus, they have a secure fit with barriers to prevent leakage. इनको यूज करना बहुत सिंपल है. Just remove the pad, place it in your briefs with the adhesive stripped down, and adjust for comfort. This imported product is not only great in terms of quality and value, but also very cost effective. अभी ऑर्डर करें from keeps.pk and अपनी या अपनी किसी जानने वाले की जिंदगी को आसान and convenient बनाएं.